Okay, let's run DeepSeek R1 reasoning model on a low capacity machine. So this is the lowest capacity machine I have at this moment, so I cannot run on something that doesn't have a GPU, unfortunately. I could run it. I think I could disable the NVIDIA driver and see how it works. But just let's use it. So this machine has 16 gigabytes of RAM and NVIDIA RTX 2080. So I guess we could buy one of these from eBay for less than $200 or maybe $100 now. It has Intel i7 6800 with 12 cores basically. I think it's 6 core 12 thread. Yeah, so this is the machine, and if we run Olama, if we run DeepSeek with Olama, it looks like this. Olama run DeepSeek R1. So it will load the. It takes some time to load the model. That's reasonable. So this is just the startup time, and we'll see how it performs after it is loaded. Okay, it is loaded. Now let's give it a prompt. So this is the prompt. So let's the cook had 5 apples. He used 3 for lunch and bought 2 bags of apples of 4 each. How many apples does he have now? I'm not sure if it is a grammatically correct sentence, but let's see. Okay, it's thinking. Yeah, I would say it's more than 1 token. I think it's like 3-4 tokens per second. If you have time, you may try to measure it, but I'm not. So it's reasonable. It's not keeping me really waiting until it gives like tokens. And it got the answer right, I think. Use 3. Okay, so 5 apples, use 3, so we had 2 apples and then got 4, so the result is 10. So result seems correct. It is doing the elaborate reasoning at this moment. Yeah, so reasoning is complete. Total apples. I think it talks a little bit too much. Okay, so yeah, so the thinking part was actually reasonably compact. 10 apples. And then solution, it gave actually elaborate solution in here. Let's try one more time. Let's see. Yeah, it's takes I think like 3 or 2 seconds before it starts putting up the thinking. Okay, so second round takes about same time, so let's just stop, or maybe let's let it go. Okay, so yeah, so first run and second run took relatively same time, so I'd say this is the final performance of this machine. It looks good. We can use it for our testing and experimenting without much. So if you get a RTX 2080 from eBay, that would be less than $200, I believe. And then if we want a little bit better GPU, like a 12 GB RTX 3080 new will be probably like $500. I am not sure how much they sell for on, like for a used one. Maybe $200-300 on eBay if those are available. So yeah, that's the test for local reasoning model for DeepSeek R1.